The Umïew Presbyterian Lower Primary School on Friday ceremonially drew curtains on its year-long Golden Jubilee celebrations with much pomp and gaiety in the presence of church leaders, educationists, students and local residents. Former Nongkrem MLA and MDC Lambor Malnyang attended the function as the chief guest alongside elders of the Umïew Presbyterian Church and other distinguished invitees. Founded in 1976, the institution began its academic journey with around 94 students under the guidance of a lone teacher. Over the decades, the school has registered steady progress and today caters to nearly 200 students, emerging as a vital center of elementary education in the area. Marking the culmination of the Jubilee celebrations, Lambor Malnyang also extended financial assistance to the school's managing committee as a gesture of support towards the institution's continued development. Addressing the gathering, the former legislator said he was overwhelmed with joy to witness the school's milestone celebration, recalling his association with the institution since its Silver Jubilee celebrations. He further stated that he felt privileged to once again be part of a historic chapter in the school's journey as it commemorated 50 years of academic service to society.
Kaniga school tanasay yaki samla kilarong hakikam pulit hapo ka state police kalasay yaki rongba balang giban syakri yang kakamublay kalasay dirangba giban kit banba man penimpat nam dagmensim gibatulat kalanang say shishu yigibabun gikun samla giban yadan benta hakikam lajong giban yadan benta Hagi kamsnong kamtao, bat ngakwa banong, hagani kapor, abangi siyong hangi, ngakwa banong, to nganya perhatpat, namenta ka arpusan senempat kabansawan, namenta kalasyay, nanrengin perhatpat nang ni syakmat, ya ka arpusan ligis nam gibansawan, kumno nginle, namenta kanay kaskul. Ayu ngin perhat, bat kumno ngin pentunon niya ka na manangit skam haginigi arpsan snam gibansawan kibabuon na ginigi het kibalit ublay usdan lagajong kaplan mangigibreo nidan lagajong kaplan anay ublay udan lagajong kaplan manuban po'y perhat bangangan yo biyang banyeng hapo kani ka platform Yagaba kumban suban arajarwe ngayo ikalat bandon ng benda batwi mano man paghat kum ubreu shibat ureu patpa bangan yo biang ya kani kalat banya yang lang banya sakilang batwi banyo biang ya kani kat sanpos nam ngidang perhat da kumay ublay basta upanyat pat da kumay udon la kajong kaplan Day na margada hagani kapor. Rakwa banong bayi giniki het kibalit. Ka enrollment habang atali kadno kadon hapo kanay ka school. Jumi kiyatho kiyong ka enrollment jom ki students jom ki khna kibadan hangnay ka school. Kidan na kumno hapo ka aspa sanpo na nilay spa. Ne hapo aspa. Kabamot. Basa kata. Sa kumbasi spa San Paulo na aspa ngot kikna kibadan hagaling atan hagaling sinang baye kamot kikme kikpa kitang pa yaki ba kinay puli siya kiwi patiskul kamot sakan ni kilit pan puli siya kiwi patiskul siya par jong kasnong Umïew balay udak jengkeli ubang apo hangi balay bagitapat kibasa kibadon hangi kan pensuk sibon yaki ban pa ikon hapo kanig school hanay hapan pano iki siya kiwig school kay kadaw galong balesi hatu kapor ki infrastructure yung school kadur yung school kamnong kabay tanat hanay nga kwa banong bang sultanat mentan habang yos ngo ya gajing kren jong itaman basan rong ba jong bakam day show bansa tang hak LP menta kan nek no siya ka UP bat nga kmi nanti ba nag UP kandang kiyo siya ki secondary level kanang ba ki kana madan hapo kasnong katao bi jeni kinwan hangni namar ngidan kamru ya ka quality jong gajing higay Umïew kren ya ka quantity ka buon palat Henry minhap niya kren ya ka quality kamut haba kata ka quality nga kren kamut hakapor bastang ni school kidantang kumba sampone piyo manen rokong kikna life sound katang ya kipor kamut mendak lapoy sino ka aspatam kamut ka quality hangta kadan day namar kata hagani kapor ban penkiyo yung school manang panitanat siyo ka memorandum kapapiay siya nga man ba't kato kadyo ka memorandum kapapiay ngan sara yung kabang pilatho siya mentri rang ba jongi jong kajala ba't ngan ra yung ka ngan umong hangi henry ngan penti ka na baga sanction ka ba mapipikwa pinyo yaka